guys, I just wanted to share the March Warmer of the Month. If you're not familiar with our Warmer of the Month program, Scentsy offers us a brand new warmer and a brand new scent every single month. And this month, this warmer is so adorable, but pictures just don't do it justice. It is called Birds of a Feather, and like normal, it is 10% off this month, and so is the scent. So I wanted to show you the warmer. The warmer is actually, so it lights up, but it is an element warmer, so there's no bulb. And this is what it looks like. I don't have the dish on it yet, but it is obviously a nest with a bird, and your dish sits right here. And I'll show you what it looks like plugged in. I'll be honest, I did not think I was going to like this warmer, but it is so pretty turned on, and there are so many cool ways that you can kind of decorate with it. I know it's kind of hard to see because obviously it's not dark in my room, but then your dish goes right here, and I've actually seen some people that have decorated with this already for spring, and they've actually gone like to Hobby Lobby or to Michael's, and they've bought like a faux nest and put it in it, and just so pretty with some eggs. But your wax goes here, obviously in the dish, and that is the Birds of a Feather. Super cute. And then the scent of the month for this month is Pink Sugarberry Mint, and I'm going to tell you, this is a must-have. The description is plump raspberry is delightfully dusted with sugar and the sweetest hint of peppermint. And it's a very familiar smell. Like, it really honestly makes me think of a pink starburst, which is my favorite starburst. And that's exactly what I think about for some reason. I don't know if it's just because of the color, but when I smell it, that's exactly what I think of. It is sweet, but you do get that back hint of mint, which is really nice. So yeah, this is a must-have. This is 10% off. It comes in a room spray and also a scent circle. This is a must. So if you are watching this video and you want a sample of this, let me know. I'll get one in the mail for you. But this is definitely a must. It says that the base notes are sugar, coconut, vanilla, and fresh air accord. The mid notes are peppermint, snowdrop, and peony. Yeah, so I smell that. Definitely. Plum, raspberry, and strawberry are the top notes. Super good. I'm just going to pop it out and see. Yeah, so here's the thing about our wax, too. There's two different smells going on here. So when I feel like when this sweet smell that's kind of rising to the top of this bar mixes with that bottom scent that's a little on the, I don't want to say sour side, but that's kind of what it smells like. This is going to be bomb when it's melted together. This is pretty awesome. Also, check out these cute little details they're putting on our wax bars now. So yeah, this is our scent of the month. Pink Sugarberry Mix. And our warmer of the month, again, is this cute little bird and nest. Okay, 10% off, again, like I said, this month. So if you would like a sample or if you would like to order, just let me know.